Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim Akif bin Zainal and my team members are Farisha Nurshaza binti Aznam and Nurfatin Nazira binti Habibullah. So this is our poster based on the articles. The title is Do Millennials Read Books or Blogs? Introducing a Media Usage Typology of the Internet Generations. For the introduction, nowadays internet has been used widely among the millennials generations. Millennial generation means the person who is born in 90s. Then earlier generation has difference in media use of internet compared to millennials generations from the way of using and communicating via media, which means the millennials generation more exposed to advanced technology than earlier generation. So in this article, there are three types of methodology there is used. For the first, research approach aim to analyze the behaviors of millennials by using the media. Focus particularly on the active and passive use of blogs and social networks, which means Facebook, Instagram, and others, knowledge communities, and file sharing communities. So for the second methodology is measures. Measure the actual use of both traditional and new media through direct questions regarding social media and the traditional media as well as active and passive use. And the third methodology that is used is data collection, which is use online questionnaire. It uses online questionnaire to detect problematic items and ensure the questionnaires reliability. So that's all from me. Then I will pass to my friends to explain about finding and results. Thank you.
My name is Nurfatin Nazira binti Habibullah. My matrix number is AP170060. For my part, I will present finding, result, and discussion. For finding and results, the finding exhibits empirical data to help to operationalize terms. The identified clusters being used by the same social media in different ways. It is been classified into three parts, which is the restrained millennials, the entertainment-seeking millennials, and the highly connected millennials. The restrained millennials showed the lowest rating for social media in terms of both active and passive behavior, while the entertainment-seeking millennials shows the highest mean rating. Besides, traditional concept whereas the actual decision to adopt and use different media should be analyzed in a complex manner. Analysis shows that no replacement that been taken. For example, even though the radio is replaced by the TV, but the radio still can be used in the car or during work time. Lastly, we analyze the millennials by motivates for use of social medias for both traditional and social media. For traditional, we see that they tend to read newspaper to gain information, while the millennials mostly use the social media such as blogs. Thus, this provides a good benchmark for understanding social media use among millennials generation. Next is the discussion part. Discussion of the finding has straightforward relation with the research questions in this article. The applications such as blogs, YouTubes have changed the methods of consuming journalism, radio, and videos. This enables knowledge transfer and networking. The knowledge of the changing attitudes and selected behavior of users need to be studied to complete this article. This research attempt for the next generation who likely be influenced to the technology, mostly the social
media.
For
my part, I present the conclusion and the group reflection. My name is Farisha Nurshaza binti Aznam. My metric number is AP170084. In the conclusion, this is a good article which provides a strong support and adequate discussion on the findings. Based on our perspective, for the participants could be given in the question in the form of tangible materials rather than online, because they will be more exposed as they have face-to-face interactions. Moreover, older generation might not use the internet as they lack of resources and exposure. In addition, the technology is not as advanced as now, where it is easier and faster to access to the internet. Millennials nowadays prefer to read blogs more than books. Next, for the group reflection, firstly, we will able to understand the research article based on the previous article. Secondly, we will able to differentiate between earlier and millennial generation in use of media. For the lastly, continuous study or research must be made in effort to understand the millennials' behavior of using the internet, where it is passive or active.